today I'm going to share 5 different egg white masks. They are 1 to 2 simple ingredient masks that you can make in the comfort of your home. Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a great day. So today I'm going to share 5 different egg white masks. They are 1 to 2 simple ingredient masks that you can make in the comfort of your home. Before we get into it, let's talk about egg whites. Egg whites have skin tightening effects. They shrink large pores where bacteria can grow, preventing pimples, reducing acne on your skin. That's because egg whites have nutrients in them. Nutrients such as potassium and protein help with wrinkles and they moisturize your face. Big important reminder, you should only ever apply these masks to freshly cleansed face with clean hands. Alright, so subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and let's get started. Let's go. Number 1, tightening. Egg white contains protein and albumin that tighten skin and shrink pores, reducing blackheads. Number 2, acne skin. This mask will repair damaged skin, fight acne bacteria, and lighten scars and blemishes on the face. Number 3, oily skin. This mask will help balance oil on the face and clean out old dead skin cells. Number 4, glowy skin. The natural antibacterial will help to soothe and moisturize the skin, leaving glowy skin. Number 5, moisturizing. The vitamins will enhance cell turnover, leaving a smoother skin. Alright, we just showed you easy face masks that you can make for various skin types. Which one are you going to try? Once the egg whites dries down, your face is going to feel tight, but don't worry, just patiently wash them with water. And remember to use fresh eggs and use clean hands while you're dealing with these masks. That is from me today. I hope you found this helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye!